Hi, and welcome to the PCMS Student Council. In this video, I'm going to go through a few of the slides to describe what Student Council is, a little bit of the ins and outs, and what we are looking for in our candidates. So let's go ahead and get started. First, what is STUCO? So STUCO is our school's student government organization. We plan school activities, social activities, we promote school spirit, we lead out in the community service activities, and we have great ideas to share for how to make our school better. So we're looking for new members, and we're excited that you're interested. So we're going to go through and talk about the different qualities STUCO members have. So we're looking for who want to be a helpful part of our school community. Some of these qualities include displaying positive citizenship, respecting both yourself and your peers, having great listening skills, sharing your ideas, setting and achieving goals, striving for excellence, as well as persevering. We want students who will be vocal about changes, have the ability to speak in front of others, and students who can represent their classmates' ideas. If this sounds like you, then go ahead to this link on the screen to apply. You need to make sure you completely fill out the application online and ask 2 teachers to fill out a Google form as a recommendation. Both application and Google form recommendations are due no later than Monday, September 14th at the end of the day. There are no late exceptions. So once you've applied, what's next? Your applications will be reviewed by STUCO sponsors, and the announcement of who has made STUCO will be made shortly thereafter. We would love for you guys to come be a part of PCMS STUCO.